Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Plus and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So open first the photos section and just select these three photos to hide them. To do that, we should tap on the right down corner to these three dots and then just click here to hide. Just confirm your action by click to hide three photos, and after that, just to find them, let's go back to the albums tab, scroll down and you'll see here hidden. Tap on it, use your face ID or enter your passcode just to open your hidden photos, and after that you could see all of the hidden photos before. Just to unhide them from here, select the photos, tap to the three dots and tap to unhide by the same way. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.